Okay. Hi everyone. I'll just show you how to put these pictures that you did today into an A4 document. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to color correct these images. So we need to go to our image adjustments levels, Command L. Okay, this is, you should just know that shortcut because it's just a very good one to use all the time. Alright, there we go. So now we need to make our blacks blacker. Alright, just click and drag it. Yep. And our whites whiter. Great. There we go. Alright, and I'm just going to hit OK. I'll just make it a bit more whiter. Good. Now, next thing I want to do is I want to make the A4 document. So I'll go File and New. I'm going to go to Print and I'm going to choose A4. Alright, there we go. Now, RGB should be okay, but I'm going to use grayscale because I was having a bit of trouble with my computer. That's all okay, and create. Now, let's just put this over. Alright, first way to do it, let's select that cupcake. I'm going to use my marquee tool. Shortcut is M. And I'm just going to click and drag over. Alright, now, next I'm going to use my move tool. And now you can see that when I go over my selection, you can see it turns into scissors. So now I'm just going to click and drag it up, up, up and into my new document, and it should go in like so. Great. Alright, now I'm going to use another one. I'm going to select another one. Alright, I'll just select I don't know, this bowl of rice. Now I'm going to use a different selection tool. I'm going to use this polygonal lasso, which you'll see down here. It's the middle one. And this one's just a little bit different because what this will do is I'm just going to tap, 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 tap all the way around it. And then you'll have a notice, alright, when I get to the end, you'll see that little circle. Alright, just saying that, okay, my selection is complete. So once I see the circle, I can click, and there I go. Alright, so I'm going to hit move, click and drag over, and there I go. Alright, so we can do more with that, but you could drag over more, but this is a quick tutorial. Now, I want to do the, put all of these into a box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and use this shape tool, and I want a rectangle. Alright, but I don't want a rectangle, I actually want a square. So to get the square, okay, first of all, alright, just click and drag to get the rectangle. I don't want that. I want the square, so I'm going to press shift, and that keeps it as a square, like so. Okay, now don't want that, so now let's just go up, change my fill to no fill, and my stroke to a black, and let's just give myself a dotted line because you'll be cutting this out. Great, there we go. Now we should go over. You can see this rectangle. I'm just going to click and drag that down to the bottom. Don't need to, but it helps. Alright, now next problem is you can see that I'll just put this one's probably easier. Yep, you can see that the white was copied over as well. I don't want the white, so I am going to go to my layers and change them to multiply. Okay, and there we go. Now you'll see that they go over, and I'm going to make this multiply as well. Right, now I want to fill this up with my forms. So one way I can do it, I can go to layer, new, layer via copy, Command J, and if you have a look at my layers, bang. Alright, I've got a new layer. Now I can copy. Alright, that's one way to do it. Other way you can do it is make sure you're in your move tool, and you can press, make sure I'm in the layer that I want. Yep, alright, I want to be in this top layer. What you want to do is press the Alt or the Option key. Alright, now I can move that. Alright, like so. Great. Now, last thing to do, maybe you want to move those around. What I want to do is to edit free transform. Alright, what this does is that you can, if I press shift, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or you can rotate. Alright, and there you have it. That's it. Quite simple. Edit, transform, free transform. Another good shortcut to know, Command T. Bang. Alright, and there we go. Now please remember, when you're scaling, good. Alright, it's just with the new Photoshop, it's good. Make sure that you keep it in proportion. You don't want to be doing something crazy like that. Alright, good. There we go. So that's all there is to it. Pretty straightforward. Okay, thanks for watching.